Let's go ahead and get you ready for your morning. Today, temperatures are starting in the 50s. We climb to the 80s. It stays dry. Tonight, it's not going to be as cold, but it is going to be cool. It'll be clear. It'll be calm. This weekend, we're looking at 80s, sunshine, and dry weather all ahead of our next system early next week. Right now, as of 5:18, temperature has dropped to 49 degrees in Dallas, 54 in Fort Worth, 50 for Denton, 46 in McKinney. Notice that along I-35 and east, temperatures are cooler. Anywhere along I-35 and west, it's slightly warmer, about 60 degrees right now in Breckenridge, 56 in Decatur, 45 in Gainesville. Not too bad. We're looking at highs in the 80s today. In the Metroplex, about 83 degrees in Dallas, 84 in Fort Worth, 82 for Denton, 81 in McKinney. If you're south and west, south of Interstate 20, we're looking at highs in the low 80s, slightly cooler north and east along the Red River into the mid 70s. Winds will still be out of the south. If you're wondering where all that cold air went, it's still well out to our east. Freeze warning still in place across a big portion of the south into Tennessee, even portions of West Virginia, Virginia. That's where that cold air is still sinking in. Any winter precip staying along areas of the Great Lakes. We stay dry. Look at the setup, though. We have this really slight shift in our pattern here the next couple of days. It brings on the 80s and sunshine, windy weather as well for the weekend. But look at this next system. This comes in late Sunday, Monday. We're looking at our next front digging in. This is going to bring us our next potential for rain, and it's also going to drop our temperatures from the 80s over the weekend to the 70s next week. The timing for the rain looks to be Monday into Tuesday. It's not going to be drought busting, unfortunately, but it does bring in some rainfall, which we desperately need. Anywhere between a 10 to half an inch for our western counties. In the Metroplex, say along I-35 and to the east, anywhere between a quarter to half an inch, slightly higher for our Red River counties. Temperatures are going to climb into the upper 80s, 87 on Friday, 88 Saturday, 86 on Sunday, and then the 70s next week. We're looking at about 40% coverage on Monday, decent rain chances. Good news, no threat for severe weather as of now, but be sure to stay tuned with WFAA as we fine-tune that forecast here in the next few days.